This is DOOGEE V Max, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can scan a document into a PDF file on this device. So first order of business is to find and launch the Google Drive app that comes pre-installed with the system automatically, like Google Chrome, let's say, or for example. So you will not have to get any additional third-party apps, which is convenient. Then to your bottom right, tap at this plus icon, choose the scan option from the list, and then grant Google Drive app with the camera access. Now you gotta take your document that you wanted to make the scan out of and photograph it. Make sure to take a straight and aligned photo, which is 100% occupied by the document, to the best of your abilities, of course. So if you're satisfied with the result, you can proceed. If not, you can simply retake the photo. Then you will be forwarded to the following menu, in which you can change the color scheme of your final file or document, PDF file that you are about to create. You can also rotate the image, as well as crop the original photo that we took. So let's say I'll crop it a little more than it is by default, which will let me to trim off some extra paper edges that I have. Then hit the save button. You can rename the document if you please. Then you can also change the Google account or Drive folder that this file will be saved to, if necessary, of course. Then hit the save button one last time, wait for the file to get uploaded to your Google Drive, and here you have it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.